Want to replace the ID name with a mark in Call of Duty but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to replace the ID name with a mark in Call of Duty. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the settings icon which is on the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on basic from the left side of your screen. Now scroll down to teammate HUD Settings. Below it, you can see ID display mode. Tap on the mark button below it. And that's how you can replace the ID name with a mark in Call of Duty. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.